Just gonna catch it.
I mean, you have a still that color?
Yeah. If I can remember correctly, it's not in that good condition.
I know.
You can get it there.
Yeah.
So it just pause it.
Water?
Yeah. I think it's probably something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, having bacon. It's, you know, I had it just like that.
Oh, really?
That thing hasn't worked in years. The mold. We don't know how to get throw it away because it looks like a nice lamp.
I don't think I don't like that.
Alright, we can throw it away. What's my lamp? My own lamp.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, I had one just like this.
You can have it if you want.
Oh, okay. It's underneath.
Yeah, it needs a new bulb, but I just
Yeah.
I never got around to finding a replacement because it's some weird.
Oh yeah.
Weird type of light. I don't know.
It's not moving. I mean,
I bet if you went to like Home Depot, you probably would have. They have
Wait.
all kinds of shit.
I should either replace it or give it away or throw it away. It's been on there for a long time. It's just, there's nowhere to put it.
oh,
It's gonna make them.
it's very active.
Very active, to say the least.
You know those lamps that I got out in front of the house?
Yeah.
The base thing that you stick into the ground, it's plastic. And
Yeah.
now like 3 out of the 6 are broken.
Wow.
Oh, very jumpy. So can I have a laser?
Did you see how high you know?
Oh,
Well, I remember the last time I was here, we was jumping like almost up to here.
right there.
Yeah, he doesn't do that anymore.
Yeah, he's
Why
too
not?
fat for that now.
Too tired.
Yeah, he's too old.
The, can I have a red laser?
Why?
To point at people?
Not nice to do that.
Just kidding.
Yeah, I mean, like, I think he's fat. Point at them all. What do you think? Do you think he's fat? I'm all pointing at him with the laser, and he looks down and he sees it pointing at his belly.
I wonder what he thinks it is.
I don't even know. I think it's instinct. He doesn't really have an idea what it is. I
So-
think it's instinct telling him to chase it.
So what happens when he catches it?
Nothing. He gets. Look, he'll catch it. See. Look, see nothing.
Oh. Okay, shit.
What do you want to see, James?
He's making a move. It's like, I'm gonna get it this time.
I know.
Can I control the laser?
Oh yeah, sure.
You can just drive him nuts too. Wow.
That's what.
Yeah,
pretty
we have
cool.
different settings.
Wow. Very.
I like when you were dragging it across the floor. You
Uh-oh. Where did it go?
Mouse.
Is that a fish?
The mouse.
Oh, no.
Is this your thing? Bucket
Yeah.
balls? Yeah. We should get these. What is that?
The mouse.
Oh.
Well,
God, I never saw him do this before.
it really wants it.
I know.
What is that? Ooh, it's a star.
I'll catch it this time.
You got it.
I know.
Disappeared.
I know.
Oh, there's again.
Oh, he's staring at it. Doesn't jump that way.
Come on, jump back. Like, you gotta do
Nah.
some exercise.
He's tired.
Just about that.
What is it going on?
Just move around a couple times. You have to get him to go around the circle and then I'll jump after it.
This is good. Tell.
You can use the back to my
Oh.
And I sent you something on email, so you should check it out.
Three. Your face.
Oh, it's just in there. Forget about your phone.
Yeah.
But it's okay. It's just there. That is
Is it
great.
like Wi-Fi?
We have Wi-Fi too, but you also you don't have 3G. Like that? Yeah.
Oh no, it's it.
They do have Wi-Fi.
No, I didn't want to pay $30 for something that I didn't use that much.
Yeah.
Fortunately, I was able to
How does it go up here?
get my phone off the $30 plan about 6 weeks before they made it
Right, right.
mandatory. Last year it became mandatory.
To what?
To all smartphones. That's what AT&T said.
Wow.
So like, I guess it was probably middle of August. I said to them, maybe it was in 6 weeks. Maybe it was closer than 6 weeks. But I told them we're going to take it off, and the guy said, "Yeah, we can take that off for you." Just fortunately, if you'd waited a few weeks, you wouldn't be able to do this. Because after that, it's mandatory. Any kind of smartphone, even a $30 data plan.
Hey,
Yeah.
there. I'm looking at the tumbles. Like,
So James's phone is not a smartphone,
Yeah.
so he doesn't have that stipulation. So we just took it off. He had it for almost a year.
see how the tumbles?
What?
Like just going.
Yeah.
Wow. What does
I
the
don't
tail
know.
do?
I don't know what the tail's supposed to be doing.
He's on high alert
Yeah.
every night.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah.
David was saying that, I said that you had gotten a cat and it was hypoallergenic and stuff. And he said it's kind of ironic or funny because she used to have these cats. He said, I remember she had one cat who was like all white fur with blue eyes.
Yeah.
And he said that she had this comb and like after a while it was just like a big ball of cotton.
Oh, he meant like gear, like before, like even put on the baby.
Yeah. He said it was just like he'd
Yeah.
stay away.
I wonder what happened to that cat. We had to, when I think something happened. Like not like, I think he had to give it away.
Oh. You said you did have a few cats though.
Yeah, we did. We had many cats.
Beck, hey, come here. Come here. Come here.
Usually
Come
every
here.
hole they have these things. You put the golf ball in this and wash it, but a lot of times they have.
Do you want to give him those?
Sometimes in the
Okay.
Yeah.
So I gave it to him, and
Great.
when I wrapped it up, I thought, hope he likes it. It's probably like a dumb gift. Excuse me.
You think so? No.
No, but he opened it up. He's like, "Whoa, this is great." He said, "So many times you get on a course and like on a hole and you put your ball in mud or something, you gotta clean it off." I said, "Yeah, that's what it's for."
Steve will see as easy as using your bag.
It's alive.